Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a skeleton loading animation using JavaScript and CSS. This loading animation will be implemented on a web page that consists of a main container with an image, a heading, and some content. Let's dive into the code and see how it works. To begin, let's take a look at the HTML markup for our web page. We have an element with a class of main. Inside this div, we have an image element, an h1 heading, and a paragraph for content. Each of these elements also has a class called loading. Before we jump into the JavaScript code, let's style our web page using CSS. We set the background color to a gradient using the linear gradient property. The main container has a white background, a fixed width, a minimum height, border radius, box shadow, and padding. The loading class is used to create the loading animation effect, and we define its background color and minimum height. We also define a keyframe animation called loading that will animate the loading element. Now move on to the JavaScript part. In the script, we use the setTimeout function to delay the execution of the fetchData function by 2 seconds. Inside the fetchData function, we select the image, heading, and content elements using the querySelector method. We then modify their inner TML to display the desired content. In this case, we set the image source to a placeholder image using the Pixum Photos API. We also update the heading and content with some sample text. Finally, we remove the loading class from each element to remove the loading animation effect. That's it. We've successfully created a skeleton loading animation using JavaScript and CSS. This animation adds a dynamic and visually appealing effect to our webpage while the data is being fetched. Feel free to customize the design and content to suit your needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more web development tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.